in Füssen. Beautiful site, very large, quite expensive. It was 45 euros a night. We are now moving. We're travelling an hour away. Can't think of the place we're going to, but we will write it in at the bottom. So we shall show you once we arrive.
Right in the corner. I think it was this, wasn't it?
Oh, that's sweet. So we've arrived at our next destination, Camping Ruby. Look at our views. Beautiful. And he's got the bikes out because we thought we'd go and have a quick look and get a bit of food and maybe a nice coffee. So he's got the bikes at the garage. Guess what? He's got a thorn in his tyre. And so now we've got to try and sort that out before we do anything. There is always something that happens with the bikes.
So I don't know whether to be disappointed or thankful. So that's the fender, this thorn, is it a thorn or a nail, in my tyre. Tubeless tyres, still hear it coming out. So the sealant isn't doing its job, but it did get me home. I didn't realise it was in there until just now. So that's been there for a couple of days. So it's off to the bike shop to either get some more sealant or putting in a tube in.
So he's using the gadget on the tyre and it's pumped it up. First time I've had to use it. Hey, clever. Is this that gas?
Yeah.
Well, it's definitely gone up quick, didn't it?
Today started out a little bit stressful because we didn't know where we were going, couldn't find a campsite, but and also the bike, had a problem with the bike, the electricity didn't work. Yeah, had a few things to kind of deal with today. But now, by lunchtime, all is looking good. The bike's not fixed, but I know what I'm going to do with it. And we've got wine and a salad.
Look at what Andy has produced. We're always in competition with our salads, and I think this is top mine. It looks incredible. You just have to always go one better, don't you?
It's not a bad one, is it?
It's really... Cheers!
god!
How fantastic was that? That was so good!
Wow, that was so much fun. No braking all the way down. Mask on. Oh my god.
Wow.
Didn't expect that. Nice place for a motorhome. Good morning.
Morning!
Well, today's a biking day and we are going to ride around the mountains of southern Germany. No specific destination other than if it's high, we'll go there. There's about 4,500 feet of height gain, so it's going to test out the batteries and our legs, but it will be a great day, I'm sure.
And the mountains are looking fabulous. I do love this view. It's gorgeous to wake up to this morning. Opening the window and seeing that, I can certainly do this every day.
That's brutal.
My heart is beating outside my body. Oh, keeping it on eco, so tempted to go into a higher setting.
I kept that on eco too.
Oh, the amount of time I wanted to stop. Oh, I just thought I can't go on.
after herding them back down the hill.
So that was our first bit of downhill. Lasted all of 30 seconds. It has been all uphill. But you put in the effort and look what you get. Incredible views.
Strudel. That is looking very nice. Wow. With coffee. Is it warm or cold? And a little bit of a view to look at while we eat
Not a bad
it.
Thursday, is it? Quite the flat that we were expecting.
Right,
You can go first, my knight in shining flammable lycra.
race you to the bottom. Raj came down there having a giraffe.
No, wait, you can cycle down this unless you've got 5 screws loose. Oh, hell on earth. Oh, God. Bumble. Oh, lordy, lordy.
Everything's bigger in the Alps. 1455 is where we're going to head to. When you're doing a serious bike ride and getting a lot of altitude, it's important to take regular breaks. So we are adhering to that rule, and we are taking refreshments as often as possible. That's exactly what I said. no idea what that is. Maybe it's a block of salt or something. I've never seen it before. Cows seem to like it. I'll get Michelle to go and have a lick, see what it tastes like. It's 2 coffees. These are German cows at the moment. If they were where those houses are over there, then they'd be Austrian cows. There's bells in the water.
Yeah.
Hello.
I've just bell up then. What service? Waiting for his biscuit. Lick your camera.
Oh, got me that time. Really good little shopping centre this, isn't it?
Lovely.
Lots to see, lots to buy.
Lots to buy.
Got some new walking gear.